Hello, I'm Lance Christian M. Relativo. Today, I will discuss to you the problem solving and creativity. Our learning outcomes. To explain the four criteria of creativity by Torres. Practice creative thinking. And the last is apply problem solving skills. These are advanced organizer. Okay, I will discuss to you the Torres creativity framework. And my partner will discuss to you the creative problem solving. Torres framework for creative thinking is a common framework for creative thinking process is described by Torres, along with ways to facilitate the respective aspect by using keywords and application activities. Okay, number one, fluency. This refers to the production of a great number of idea or alternate solution to a problem. Fluency implies understanding, not just remembering information that is learned. So, yun nga. Hindi natin kailangang sauluhin ang mga impormasyong matututunan natin, kundi intindihin natin ang topic natin para lalong mas maganda ang kalabasan ng ating pag-aaral. Keywords: compare, convert, count, define, describe, explain, identify, label, list, match, name, outline, paraphrase, predict, summarize. Application activity. Okay, dito sa ating sa application activity number 1, trace a picture and label its part. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, hindi natin kailangang sauluhin, kundi dapat nating intindihin. Katulad nitong nasa picture, kailangan nating alamin dyan o intindihin natin kung alin ba talaga ang bulaklak dyan, ang dahon, ang sanga, at ang ugat. Okay, next is outline an article you find on your topic. And third, how many uses can you think for of a clothes hanger? So yun nga, ilan nga ba magagawa natin sa hanger? Napanood ko sa YouTube, may mga nagagawa silang sabitan ng kung ano-ano, nilalagyan nila ng mga ipit, at yung iba na bakal na hanger ay dinedeform nila at ginagawang kung ano-ano. So, yun. Tapos, list 15 things that commonly read or contain red. Yun nga, intindihin natin kung alin ba talaga ang mga pula at at alamin natin, hindi natin dapat tawag dito, hindi natin dapat sauluhin kung alin ang mga pula, dat nating alamin kung alin ba talaga ang mga pula. Ang example nito ay apple, blood, brick, cabus, cherry, Christmas stocking, exit sign, fire alarm, rose, tomato, bell pepper, heart, lips, Santa Claus flag. Flag, sample ng mga flag na pula ay sa China. Okay. Flexibility refers to the production of idea that show a variety of possibilities or realm of thought. It involves the ability to see things from different point of views, to use many different approaches or strategy. So yun, hindi tayo magre-rely lang sa iisang iisang point of view. Dapat marami tayong source ng knowledge or idea para makagawa tayo ng maganda na ideya about sa topic na yun. So, keyword: change, demonstrate, distinguish, employ, extrapolate, interpolate, interpret, predict. So, ang application ideas natin, what would happen of you there were no automobiles? How would a blank dog look at a playa to a playa? How is blank like blank? How would you feel if blank you were invisible for a day? And last is, how would you group the idea about red into a category? Example, fruit, safety feature, vehicle. Okay, let's move on to the next. Elaboration. Elaboration is the process of enhancing idea by providing more details, additional detail, and clarity improve interest in and understanding of the topic. So, yun na nga. Kailangan nating mga madaming detalye para makabuo tayo ng ideya and intindihin natin ang ating topic. Keyword: appraise, critique, determine, evaluate, grade, judge, measure, select, and test. Okay, next. Ang application idea natin dito ay tell your neighbor about your last family trip using as many detail as possible. So yun, ang example nito ay sasabihin natin nga doon sa ating neighbor na tungkol doon sa mga detalye na napuntahan natin. Kunwari, example ay Baguio. Malamig, maganda, maraming berry, strawberry, ganun. Next is, what can you add to blank to improve its quality or performance? So, kunwari ay, ang example natin ay sa turon. Anong, sa business, sa kunwari turon, anong i-add natin dun sa turon para mas tangkilikin ng ibang tao yung turon na iyon? Okay. Describe all the possible characteristics of red quality in a wagon. Example, shade, finish, texture, in uniformity. Okay, next is originality. Originality involves the production of idea that are unique or unusual. It involves synthesize or putting information about a topic back together in a new way. So, napindot ko agad. Ang explanation ko dito ay kailangan nating magbasa sa mga ibang nakapagpaaral na napag-aralan na yung pag-aaralan mo pa lang. Tapos, pagsasama-samahin mo yun at iintindihin mo yun para makagawa ka ng panibagong idea. From the word itself, originality. So, gagawa ka ng sarili mo na idea about dun sa topic. Keywords: compose, create, design, generate, integrate, modify, rearrange, reconstruct, reorganize, or revise. Yun nga. I-rearrange lang natin yung sentence na nakuha natin na idea or reorganize ay pag-aayos-ayusin natin lahat ng mga nakuha nating information. Application idea. Find an original use for blank. What would be the strangest way to get out of the bed? Design a new blank that is better than the one you have. And last is write an unusual title for the idea about red. Example, revolutionary red representation. Okay, that's all. Thank you.